Jai Hind everyone. In our previous video, we had solved first 3 questions from exercise 13.3. In this video, we will solve the last question, that is fourth one from our exercise 13.3. So let's begin. Fourth question is actually asking us to convert few numbers in standard form. Like the first one is given the distance between Earth and Moon in meters. Okay? The distance is given between Earth and Moon in meters. We have to convert it in standard form. The distance between Earth and Moon is meters is 384 million meters. Okay? You know that there are two ways to read a number. One is the Indian method and second is the Western method. So if we use the ones times 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, then million, 10 million, 100 million. So this number is what? 384 million meters. We have to convert it in standard form. So as you know that how we convert, we have to make it in the form a into 10 raised to the power b. Okay, but a should be what? Between 1 and 10, and b should be an integer. So if we make it in the form of a first, then where we have to put the decimal? Exactly here. So it gives us 3.84 into, as you remember in last video I told you that if after a number there are only zeros, then the zeros have no significance. We need not to write them. And then how much power the 10 will get? What will be the value of b? The value of b is the number of digits the decimal has shifted. So decimal was in the beginning here, now it came here. So how many digits are there? 3, 3 and 2. That is 8 digits. So distance between Earth and Moon is 3.84 into 10 raised to the power 8 meters. Easy? Okay, let's come to the question number C. Question number C has given the diameter of Earth. Here if you see, the comma is after every 2 digits. So it is written in Indian method. So it is what? Ones times 100, 1000, 10,000, then lakh, 10 lakh and crore. So it is what? 1 crore 26 lakh 56,000 meters. This is diameter of Earth. We have to convert it in standard form. So in the same way, how it will be converted? Originally the decimal is here. We will shift it to here. So it will become 1.2756 into. Yes, one more thing, never read it like 1.2756. We do not need read it after like this. The digits after decimals are read 1 by 2. So it is 1.2756. Even by mistake, do not read it as 1.2556. We do not read it like that. So what will be the power of 10? It will be 3, 2 and 2. So the power of 10 will be 7. So the diameter of Earth in standard form can be written as 1.2756 into 10 raised to the power 7 meters. Easy? Now let's come to the question number G. Question number G was actually find the distance between Sun and the center of Milky Way galaxy. As we know, in the center of Milky Way galaxy there is a supermassive black hole, and the supermassive black hole of our galaxy is named as Sagittarius A. So I just wrote it as Sagittarius A. So distance between Sun and Sagittarius A has given here. Okay, it is what? After 3 there are 20 zeros. Such a huge number it is. meter. It is now fine. Now how will we write it in meters? It is already in meters. We have to write it in standard form. So it will be converted at 3 into 10 raised to the power. Originally the decimal was here. We have shifted it to here. Now how many digits it covers? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 20. Okay. So it will be 3 into 10 raised to the power 20 meters. This is how the exponents help us. Like, think about how difficult it would be if you get some question related to the distance between Earth and the Sagittarius A, and you have to write the same number in each and every step. Okay, so it will be really difficult to calculate the solution, because most of the time will be wasted in just writing the number. It is so huge. So that is why we need standard form, we need exponents, so that we can express the huge numbers or tiny numbers easily. Okay, let's move to the last question, that is the I. It is the question that Earth has 1,353,000,000 cubic kilometers of seawater. Okay, what does this sentence mean? Earth has 1,353,000,000 cubic kilometers of seawater. Cubic kilometers. Okay, this is the unit of volume. Whenever anything has a unit has power 3, it represents what? Volume, like meter cube, centimeter cube. So it is what? Cubic kilometer. This sentence actually means that if we want to store all of Earth's water in a container, then you need to make a container. If you are making in form of a cube, then suppose we want to store all of Earth's ocean water into this container, so its side should be of length 1,353,000,000 kilometers. This is what actually this sentence means. Means so huge amount of water Earth has that you have to use such a huge container to store all of Earth's water. So it was just a theoretical prediction. Now let's move ahead with our question. Our question is that we have to convert this into a standard form. So it will be what? 1.353 into 10 raised to the power 9 cubic kilometers. Easy. Always write the same unit which is already given in question. Here the decimal was here, we put it here, so it will be what? Cubic kilometers. Now let's do a thing on our own. Suppose if I want to convert this from cubic kilometers to cubic meters. Okay, so this I leave it up to you, that convert this number from cubic kilometers to cubic meters, and send your answer on my personal video. Let's see how many of you get the correct answer. So all of this for this video. That's it, and in our next video we will discuss some extra questions related to the chapter. Bye bye, take care, Jai Hind.